Hey guys, so I just wanted to check out some headphones here from TaoTronics. I've been a big fan of TaoTronics actually, and you can see these are the latest 2019 noise cancelling headphones that they're actually making, which I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. They come with 30 hours of playtime, very nice kind of premium design. And they come for under $100 if you're in America, or 100 quid if you're in the UK. So, you know, very affordable. And as I said, I have been a big fan of TaoTronics. I've been using their previous version for like sports and stuff. As you can see, I bought these in 2018 as some cheap kind of Bluetooth headphones, and they're still absolutely, you know, going strong. Absolutely fantastic build quality. So these are the previous versions, and let's have a look at the latest version. So what's the model number? I don't think there is a model number on them. It's just TaoTronics here, you can see. So let's just get them unboxed and see what we can see here. So let's get on this one. There we go. So you can see it comes with a big case, which I think I got with the last version as well, which is nice. And let's go in here. You can see, unzip that, and this is the presentation. I mean, look at that, that looks really nice. So you do get some cables here, as you can see. I'm guessing if you want to use the wired connection, you can use these to save your battery life. Yeah, thank you as well, which is nice of them. You get TaoTronics user guide, active noise cancelling. Assuming it shows you how to use them, but I think most people know nowadays. And this is the headphones here. I mean, look at these. They look well step up in terms of the quality here. Absolutely fantastic. You can see, I think they've made the cushions a little bit bigger than the last version. They feel like really nice, high quality, like they're going to be comfortable on your head. So just a quick little comparison here. You can see they use a little bit more plastic on the previous version. So this gives it a more air of premium kind of thing. I'd say they're approaching like Sony level of quality here. So that is pretty nice. We'll just put this to the side and see if we can quickly pair to the S10 that I've got here for testing. So let's see if I can figure it out. One thing I would say is feedback is why these manufacturers are still using micro USB. You know, it seems a bit silly really. They should be moving towards Type C overall, because I think most people use Type C nowadays, and the older ones are kind of getting out of date. So this is the pairing, as you can see, very straightforward. Let's just see if we can get this paired here. So Bluetooth on, there we go, nice and fast. 80% battery, so don't even have to charge it, which is cool. And let's see if we can just quickly do a sound test, sound check. So let's see, some good no copyright NCS music, which is always part of the playlist. So is it this one? And there's obviously some controls here, as you can see. Power, and they feel very solid. Probably would be nice to see them like metallic, like the rest of it as well. But let's just turn it up to the max here. I often forget where my mic is on my camcorder, because I don't really upload much anymore, so I think it's on the top here. Don't know how good that comes through, but it sounds fantastic to me, you know. Do they support like all the modern stuff like aptX and all that HD? I don't think they do actually, so that could again be something that they could look into, because that's what I've got on the Boss Quiet Comfort ones, and that is absolutely fantastic, like for making it very high quality. But yeah, you know, if you're looking for a cheap, affordable pair of headphones here, which are built exceptionally well and very reliable, durable, you can see lots of metal used here, then definitely check these out. As I said, I will leave a link in the description, and then you can go through and have a look. So yeah, just a quick little review here, the 2019 version of the TaoTronics Bluetooth headphones with upgraded noise cancellation, rapid charge as well, 2 hours of music after just 5 minutes of charging. That's absolutely fantastic, because the old ones did take quite a while to charge, but they did last quite long, so you can definitely see some improvements here. So yeah, just a quick little video, hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.